Welcome to All India Juvo Computer Shakharata Mission, a complete online computer education system. In this session on learning Python online, we will discuss about module. What is module? A group of function, variables and classes saved to a file which is nothing but a module. When a group of functions, variables and classes saved to a file, then this type of file is known as module. This file have always a extension of .py. Every Python file .py file, those who have extension .py, they are act as a module. Every Python file itself is a module, because within a if within a Python file there is collection of different type of variables. So module is nothing but a function which contain different type of variables, functions, classes. These are known as module. Here is an example of a module. If I want to create a module, if I want to create my own module, how can I create it? Okay, here x is 111, y is 222, and there is a function which is known as sum, where we use a and b, and the sum comma a plus b. This is actually the sum, and we have to use another function which is sub a comma p, because this is a local variable, we can use the same name. Okay, print the subtraction comma a minus b. Okay, so this is actually a module, because I stored some variable as well as some function within this module. So now I have to save this module. Name this module as Shyok module, or not Shyok module, Shyok math dot py. The name of my module is Shyok math dot py. Actually these all are modules. Save it. Now I can use it from another function, another program. Now I open a Python file again. Now if I want to use this Shyok math.py in my current program, then I have to import this module. Import Shyok math.py. Actually we do not need to give the extension. This is actually the name of the module. So import Shyok math. If you import Shyok math, then you can able to create .x, you can call y, you can use this Shyok math dot sum. The name of the function is sum 10, 20, and then Shyok math dot subtraction 5, 3. Okay, with the help of this module we can access the x, y and the functions of other modules. Save it. Test.py. I think there is test module.py. Run it from the command prompt. If you run it from the command prompt, then you will see Python and py test module.py. Here it is. You can see it import all the functionalities of this Shyok module Python file, and it is implemented all the functionality within this in this program. So it's print the x value, print the y value, print the sum, and print the subtractions. So this is what is module. We can alias the module name. We can reduce this module name as a smaller one as m, and instead of this one, now you are able to use m. Instead of this one you can use m. Instead of this one you can use m. It shorten your code. This is aliasing, module aliasing. Now you have to save it and run it from there. You will see the same result. This is known as module aliasing. With the help of this one, you can reduce the name. You can, instead of Shyok Math, you can use m or any name you want. Okay. So now this is known as module aliasing, as well as in the same format you can alias the name of the methods, variable that are used into your module. So instead of conflicting module name, we can use different type of module name from module 1 import star. Module 1 import star mean all the variable and functions from module 1 that has been imported. Star means all. This is a wildcat character. With the help of this one, we can import all the things within a single module. So we can do this like this one. So this is how we can create our modules, and with the help of this module we can create different type of things. So the things I want to explain with the help of this module function is that. So now if you want to, there are so many things to be discussed in module, but I want to but right now we have little bit of time, so we don't want to discuss it here in this session. Now if you want to declare something like package, then another things that we have to know, that what is package, how to declare a package. Package, it is an encapsulation mechanism to group related module into a single unit. If you want to group the related module into a single unit, package is nothing but a folder. There are different type of modules. If you want to group the similar type of module into a single folder, then we use packages. Packages is nothing but a folder or a directory which represent the collection of Python modules. If you want to collect different type of Python module into a single folder or dictionary, this single folder or dictionary is known as a package. Okay. Any folder or dictionary contained __init __.py is known as, is treated as a package in Python. A package can contain sub packages also. This is what we can able to know. We can create different type of modules from this module. We can implement this one. We are able to implement these things. So this is what is, this is all about module. This is all about packages. We are not explaining it in details. In some other classes, we will finish this core Python course with this class. And if you interested, if you like all those videos, then we will have a planning to create some advanced courses on Python where we learn in details in function, module, packages, exception handling, object oriented Python and other things. So somehow in this classes we will discuss these things in details. So that's it. We will finish our core Python course with this session. I think everyone enjoy the classes. We discuss the fundamentals data type, we discuss the control flow control expressions where we discuss if else, if elif and other things, iterative statement, break and continue statement. We discuss collection related data types in thoroughly step by step, where you discuss about list, tuple, dictionary, set, different type of function which are implemented by sets. Now we discuss about functions and little bit of module and packages. Along with that, I think we discuss so many programs. So I think we have everyone have a basic idea of core Python, what they produce, how they implement it, how the program runs, how we can execute this program from command prompt, how can open a Python shell, how to install Python in your computer. In this class we do all those Python program in Edit Plus. So you can install PyCharm too, you can install other softwares too to run your Python code. So that's it. Okay, I will end this class with this one. We will see you in some of the next courses. Thank you.